This is the Tool Logic SL Plier, model SLPLY. Looks just like a knife, but it's really a pair of pliers too. It's got a 3-inch partially serrated blade on it, held in place with a liner lock. Or whenever you need yourself a pair of pliers, just open up the handle and there's some spring-loaded pliers. Inside the plier jaws is some sturdy wire cutters. Also on the end of the handle is a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. If you flip it around, it's got a Phillips head on the other side. What's neat is that overall the knife handle is no bigger than a normal knife, so you've got the extra functionality of pliers and a multi-tool built into something that is absolutely no bigger than a knife. That's the SOG Tool Logic SL Plier, model SLPLY.